Hi, I'm Mrs. Linehan, and you are in my homeroom for this year. So I'm very excited to welcome you. Some of you are in seventh grade, you've already done 1 year of middle school. Some of you are in eighth grade, getting ready to go to high school. So I'm looking forward to going on that journey with you. And I just want you to know that I'm here to support you in whatever you choose to do this year. All right, so our calendar for this year, it's kind of small, so don't worry about it. I have sent a copy for you in your email so that you can print that up and put that on your refrigerator. This year, you will be using a new curriculum called Edgenuity. I think you're going to enjoy it. You can log in, but you may not start your courses until you have completed this mandatory orientation video. It will not let you start your courses until you've done that. So make sure you click on this presentation and click on the Edgenuity picture, or I've also put the link in the email. So, all right. And as you've already been in middle school, you know these tips, but I'm just going to go over them very quickly with you. You signed a master agreement in which you agreed to attend school every single day. On top of that, you also agreed to submit schoolwork every single day. And by every single day, I mean Monday and Friday. Please get organized. If you are in extracurricular activities and you're going to school, you know that your day can get very, very busy. So you want to make sure that you get all those things done. Also, it's very important so that you can progress through your schoolworks. You want to be ready for high school. So monitor your grades, check Edgenuity. You should be blue or green. That shows that you're making good progress. If you're in the red, you need to catch up, and I will help you with that if you do reach red. All right, be responsible with technology. You know that there are things on the internet that once you see them, you cannot unsee them. So make sure that you're responsible about the sites that you go to. Get your parents' permission. All right. All right, these are some expectations. Please do read them independently. I'm not going to read them to you, but you should read them because I'm going to ask you and your parents to sign off on those as showing that you agree to them. And then finally, I just want to say welcome again. I am your mentor. I'm here to cheer you on. I'm here to support you, and I'm here to make sure that you never feel alone. All right, I can't wait to meet you all in person next week. See you soon.